Okay, this video I'm going to show you how to disable comments on a YouTube video. So first step is you must be signed into your YouTube account. Once you're in, you're going to go to the tab right on the top, your icon on the right side. Click on that and we're going to go to YouTube Studio. Alright, so once you're here in the YouTube Studio, you're going to go and click on Content on the left side. First, I'm going to show you how to do it on a single video, and then I'll show you how you can actually disable comments on multiple videos at once. You would first come here and then scroll down to the video that you wanna do. Okay, so once you find the video that you want to disable the comments on, you're just gonna click right into that video, and what we're gonna do is scroll down. So if we continue to scroll down to the bottom, you'll see right here where it says comments and rating. All right, so as you can see, currently the comments are on. All right, you can pause or you can just click right here and you would shut the comments off. All right, so once you turn the comments off, just make sure that you go to this tab right here on top and click on the top right side and click on save. All right, once it's saved, now if I just go into this and click into this video right here and pause that. All right, now if I scroll down, you'll see right here that the comments are turned off. So nobody is able to actually comment on this particular video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually turn that back on, click on save again, and now it's back to regular. Now if we go back here, click this back arrow, which will take us back to all the video content. All right, let me show you how to do it on multiple videos at once. All right, so let me just scroll down and I'll just find a few random videos. Let's say I want to disable all 3 of these videos down here at the bottom. I can just go click on these tabs right on there. All right, so once I got those 3 clicked, I'll just click on this edit tab right here, and the drop down is going to come down, and right here you're going to scroll down to the comments tab, and right here, same thing as I did with the previous video, I can just click on the off tab and then just click on, then I'll just go right here on the right side and click on update videos. All right, so for this example, I don't want to shut them off for all these videos, but just showing how you can do it on multiple videos instead of just one at a time. All right, so let me get off of that and uncheck these. All right, and that's a simple way on how to disable comments on one video, or you can do it on multiple videos at once. All right, so thanks for watching. Hope you got some value from it. If you did, hit that like button, drop a comment if you got any questions, and make sure to subscribe because I will have some more YouTube tutorials on the way. All right, so thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.